Today, I'm showing you how to withdraw money and redeem your TikTok rewards on your Android device. Let's get started. Requirements. To withdraw money from TikTok, you must be in the creator program with at least 10,000 followers, 100,000 views on 3 videos, be 18 years or older, have monetization enabled. Step 1. Open TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Open Menu. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 4. Access Balance. Tap on Balance or Creator Tools from the menu options. Step 5. View your earnings. You'll see your current balance showing rewards from the Creator Program, gifts from TikTok Live, and other earnings. Step 6. Tap on your balance. Tap on your balance amount to view detailed earnings breakdown. Step 7. Go to My Income or Withdraw to access your withdrawal options. Step 8. Enter verification code. TikTok sends a 6-digit verification code to your email. Check your inbox, copy the code, and enter it in TikTok. Step 9. Tap Withdraw. After verification, tap Withdraw to start the withdrawal process. Step 10. Choose payment method. Select your payment method. Note any minimum withdrawal requirements. Step 13. Select amount. Choose how much you want to withdraw. You can withdraw the full balance or a specific amount. Note any minimum withdrawal requirements. Step 14. Confirm withdrawal. Review the withdrawal amount and payment method. Tap Withdraw Now to confirm and process the transfer. Step 15. Wait for processing. Your money is sent to your selected payment method. Processing typically takes 1 to 7 business days, depending on the method. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from your TikTok account on your Android device.